Sa video na ito ay samahan ninyo ako panoorin ang laban nina Archel Villamor at Fuga Komatsu na pambato ng Japan bilang bahagi ng Philippine versus Japan tournament. It will right in 6-round bout. Sa laban na ito ay parehong undefeated ang magkabilang panig kung saan hawak ng Pinoy fighter ang 6 wins habang ang Japanese naman ay hawak ang 4 wins. Kung handa ka na, let's go at panoorin natin ang buong laban.
Japanese Komatsu, of course, has the height advantage over Archel Villamor, but of course, height is just height, partner. In fact, saying, although yun nga, it's an advantage, doesn't mean that you automatically have a...
Nagsimula ang laban ng agresibo si Villamor. Nagawa niyang kuhanin ng atensyon ni Komatsu nang makapuntos siya ng isang knockdown gamit ang matitinding counter punches.
Very stylistic tong Archel Villamor. I've seen some of his fights.
You're right, partner. Beautiful left by Archel Villamor. Ultimately, the Japanese boxer must use his range to make it difficult for Villamor.
And he must establish his left jab.
Dahil dito, agad na nakuha ni Villamor ang momentum sa simula pa lang.
Right now, you are seeing Villamor doing a great job with foot painting. No? There you have it. I think it was a left that snuck in, if I'm not mistaken, partner.
This is very important for Villamor to not rush in, partner.
Right.
Try to have that sense of patience on this fight.
And I think he's doing it quite well, partner. I mean, he wasn't there to admire his work. He's backward right now, being still painting, trying to set traps for Komatsu. It was that successful painting partner that was able to get him that knockdown. And that consistent jab is, huge left again. I think the Japanese was again stunned by that action.
That's the perfect word. He is seemingly stunned on this fight.
Right. The quickness of Villamor's counter punching. There you have it. That's what Komatsu must do, partner. Jab, and just jab, just keep Villamor away, disrupt his rhythm.
Round 2 at 3 ang pag-adjust ni Komatsu.
Tingnan natin how Komatsu adjusts on this second round.
Right. You know, he can't wait.
Matapos ang knockdown sa unang round, naging mas maingat at defensive si Komatsu sa round 2nd.
Give Villamor the chance to be first. He's gonna land.
Ginamit niya ang kanyang footwork at mas naging mabilis sa counter-punching para makabawi.
It seems Komatsu is a little more careful.
Yeah.
A little more defensive and quicker with that counter. Maybe that knockdown was
Sa mga round na ito, naging dikit ang bakbakan kung saan parehong naghahanap ng tamang tiempo ang dalawang boksingero.
If I were Villamor, I will not relax on this instance. Hindi niya pwedeng sabihin na I get a knockdown, lamang na ako. He must continue to work their game plan. Tony Haro from Dubai watching. Salamat po.
And ultimately, this is becoming who hits who first.
Yes,
This round
yes.
two, a little bit of waiting game between these two boxers.
Suddenly both fighters become tentative,
Right.
partner.
That's tentative.
the activity.
May nanonood sa atin from the national team. Isa sa mga bimedal boxers natin from the national team.
Yes.
Ian Clark Bautista, shout out. Coach
Oh.
Ron Rex Barrett also watching us. Shout out sa'yo, Coach Ron Rex. Alam namin, nandito ka. Jab by the Japanese boxer Komatsu.
Saka say a little prayer sa mga fighter natin na lalaban nowadays. I think Jervin Mama will be fighting in Mexico, and also Juniel Castillo of PMI will be fighting tomorrow in Queenstown, Australia. Sana
Round 4 hanggang round 5. Sinubukan ni Villamor na pasukin ang depensa ni Komatsu at puntiryahin ang katawan nito upang hindi makontrol ng Hapon ang distansya ng laban.
Alvin Esgo of Real Fight PH. Salamat po. Thank you for watching this very good card given to us by Elorde International Promotion.
Nagkaroon din ng ilang palitan ng suntok sa loob kung saan naging pisikal ang labanan.
Round 4, partner.
Scheduled. Yes.
Right by the... Seems like Villamor is doing good on the inside of it.
Yes.
Capitalizing on that clinch. Sabi mo kasi hindi siya nagbabody. So ayan na.
Yes.
Kanya.
That's the way he must do to win this fight.
Pag mo na pasukin tama, hindi pwedeng mag-antay. You can't let the Japanese play his game, which is at the long range or mid-range. Hindi mo pwedeng hintayin na hulugan kanya ng...
I think there's a lot of excessive punches at the back of the head by Villamor. It's very dangerous. It's a very sensitive part of the head, and I think the referee Carlo Baluyot give the warning to Villamor to
Right.
not hit at the back of the head, partner.
Exactly, no? That punch is highly illegal. Very illegal.
And quite dangerous. That punch to the head, a punch to the back of the head is very, very dangerous. Like I said, kahit na ganon, yung dinadampi lang, it is very dangerous, partner.
Definitely.
It's better na sabihin natin yan than to be sorry later, partner.
Sabi mo nga sa boxing, they have
Yes.
for the safety na rin ng boxers.
Kasi it's as simple as ano naman, kahit naman sa mga saang lupalop ng pagbaboxing, hitting at the back of the head is a no-no, partner. "17 seconds of this round number 4. This bout between Archel Villamor Jr. of the Philippines against Fuga Komatsu of Tokyo, Japan.
Sa round 5, nagpakita si Komatsu ng magagandang combination, ngunit hindi nagpatinag si Villamor. Sa huling round, naging mas determinado si Villamor. Sa huling 1 minuto at 30 segundo, nagkaroon ng matinding exchange ang dalawa.
Of Komatsu.
Basically, just go in. Yun eh. Kasi he can't
Yes.
let Komatsu dictate the distance because if it's a distance game, it's sa yung lugi, no? So he should just...
Isang malakas na left straight mula kay Villamor ang tumama ng malinis sa panga ni Komatsu, dahilan para bumagsak ito sa canvas. Idineklara ang panalo ni Villamor via TKO sa oras na 2:29 ng round 6. Dahil sa panalong ito, binigyan ni Villamor ang Pilipinas ng 1-0 lead sa nasabing invitational tournament. Sa ngayon, hawak ni Villamor ang 9 wins, 4 wins sa pamamagitan ng knockout at 2 losses lamang. Bagamat may talo na ito, patuloy pa rin ang kanyang pagiging aktibo sa boxing nang sa ganon ay mas mahasa pa ang kanyang estilo. Hanggang dito lang muna tayo mga bossing.
You know,
I think both of the fighters, pareho sila is trying to target the back,
overhead. Right.
which is very dangerous, very, very dangerous. Nice exchange by both fighters on that instances.
Yeah, exactly, partner. No, they're able to capitalize on that close range, giving body shots and all that. Mahirap dito because yun nga, bawat bitaw, it can certainly, disrupt your business.
Nice combination by Komatsu. Nice. Right.
Not afraid to engage, partner. I think nawala na yung takot and hesitation.
A good, very good play.
Here we go, partner. Sixth and final round. This is the first fight sa ating Philippines versus Japan Invitational Tournament.
Tama.
You're watching Archel Villamor of the Philippines versus Fuga Komatsu from Tokyo, Japan. A couple of misses there, partner. An overhand by Villamor. There you have it. Yun din, partner, that shot in the back, that kidney punch is also illegal.
Nice flurry to the body by Villamor. Followed by a left cross.
As much as we don't like clinches, partner, in sport boxing,
Yes.
it's up to you to capitalize on that range, that very, very close range. And you can still be offensive. And then again, you can also push your opponent away. So,
It's up to you what do you want to do in that ring. With the sole purpose of winning the fight.
yes. A clean fight. Final 1 minute and 30 seconds of round 6.
Oh, nice exchange by both fighters. The right straight by Villamor.
They're actually quite interesting how they arm wrestle and how they use that clinch. Main advantage with their back punch at the back is
There's the numerous time I'm telling you, Mamrika. A left straight by Villamor.
Komatsu down at the canvas. I think the body language says no, not anymore. The fight is over.